Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix some websites not loading or opening in any browser issue. If you're experiencing issue with some websites not loading or opening in any browser, first you need to check your internet connection and ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to see if the problem is specific or certain sites. Or you could also try disable browser extension. You could also try clearing all the tabs from here, which is also taking a lot of spaces. Or you could also check your proxy settings, which is right over here. Click on this search option and type down proxy settings and click on this option and disable this option. And if you're using a proxy server, you could also try disabling it to see if it resolves the issue. Or you could also try restarting your computer, which is on the Windows. Go over the Windows. Right over here, there's this icon and simply restart your computer. Sometimes a simply restart can fix various issues, including website loading problems. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.